Hello everyone, James from TickTalk here, and today we will be going over exactly what comes inside of your brand new TickTalk 4 smartwatch. First, let's start off with the unboxing of the product. When we first open the box, you will be greeted with a card that also includes a QR code. This QR code provides a step-by-step video guide on how to set up your brand new TickTalk 4, so make sure you keep this. Beneath that, we have this small box of accessories, which includes your charging cable and your SIM card opener, as well as the watch itself. The package also includes the SIM itself, so make sure you have this on hand. The TickTalk 4 includes some notable additions from the last generation, which include a large capacity 1000 mAh battery, which is the world's largest battery in a children's smartwatch for up to 60 hours of normal usage, integrated wristband antennas for a stronger cellular connection, two 5-megapixel cameras for high-quality video calling and photos, our new activity tracker to track your child's activity levels or set daily step goals, unlimited free kid-friendly music powered by iHeartRadio Family for US customers, as well as many other new features we'll go over in future videos. The TickTalk 4 comes in 3 colors: titanium black, galaxy blue, and laser pink. The TickTalk 4 is now available on our website at www.myticktalk.com, or you can check out the link in the description down below. So that wraps up today's video. If you like this video, really appreciate it if you hit that like button, and if you want more videos like this, make sure you follow us on our social media. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.